Some people say one cannot live without love. Others say one cannot live without food. Food say that they cannot live without a kitchen. We say a kitchen cannot live without Olive. We promise if you live Olive, you'll surely love to live. Welcome to Olive Kitchen Accessories and Interior Hardware Solutions. We are one of the leading companies in the Indian kitchen industry, which offers an innovative and complete range of kitchen accessories and architectural hardware using high-end European technology. Established in 2004, Olive Kitchen Accessories and Interior Hardware Solutions is a brand of Evershine Appliance Private Limited. Its manufacturing unit is spread out in an area of 90,000 square feet, housing more than 250 employees. Having a remarkable growth that is 70% year-on-year, the company boasts of a pan-India network with more than 750 dealers and distributors. Olive Innovations 2007 Drawell Basket Slide, 2009 Platinum Aluminium Baskets, 2012 Signature Stainless Steel Baskets, 2012 Kitchen Lights, 2013 Innovative Lock Systems. The 6C domain cycle of Olive. The 6C includes customized and innovative solutions, creative designing, control in quality, core European technology, customer satisfaction, and client services. Olive Kitchen Accessories. Baskets. One of the most important kitchen accessories are the baskets. Olive offers a wide range of baskets. Olive Signature Baskets. Made with German technology, these stainless steel baskets are made with wire base and a strip-on side. Signature baskets bring much needed ease and elegance to your kitchen storage and access. Olive Platinum Baskets. Designed to bring flexibility and convenience in usage, the platinum anodized aluminium baskets are available in a variety of plain and partition, along with cup and saucer, plate, and cutlery baskets. Ladder units. Olive offers magnificent ladder unit mechanisms and pull-out systems that are made with high-end European technology. These are available in wide range in the form of single pantry unit, double pantry unit, soft stop tall unit and revolving soft stop tall unit. The revolving soft stop tall ladder unit is a monopoly product of Olive. Corner units. Olive is the first Indian brand to make all types of corner units with stainless steel. Olive is also the only brand in the country that makes corner units with wooden base. Different types of corner units made by Olive. Drawell boxes. Olive has designed pull-out drawell boxes for smart storage of kitchen items. Partition drawell box with single wall hanging panel. These are absolutely essential for kitchen convenience. Channel and soft closing sliding. For smooth movement of drawers, Olive offers channel and sliding of high-end technology. These are available with telescopic channel, holding, channel and soft closing sliding. Hinges. Olive Hinges system offers a perfect solution for all applications and unfolding. Olive offers 48 different profiles of handle, edge and frame type in varying colors and designs for your kitchen. Furniture light, spotlight, glass shelf light, over cabinet light, under cabinet light, inner cabinet light, inner drawer light, and LED transformers are made available by Olive for keeping your kitchen bright. Olive Kitchen Accessories and Interior Hardware Solutions has gone global by participating in the prestigious Interzoom Business Exhibition held in Germany in 2011 and 2013. We have participated in the Made in Gujarat exhibition held in Dubai in 2012. At the national level, it has been our pride to participate consecutively for 4 times in the Index exhibition, a leading Indian exhibition. This is Olive for you, creating heavenly home.